What up guys, this is Juan. This is JB Reviews. Today we'll be doing a bit of an unboxing on a product that's not quite so tech related. It's actually going to be a Yeti cooler. So with summer coming up, obviously it's going to get hot outside, people are going on vacations, etc. So I figured I'd go ahead and invest in this Yeti cooler. It's going to last for years to come anyway, so I figured, what the heck, let's jump to the unboxing. Alright, so here you have the Yeti Roadie 20, Yeti's smallest hard shell cooler that comes with a 5-year warranty. A bit of a interesting thing is that it also is bear proof, though I would not recommend testing that out personally. So aesthetically, the cooler is of high quality. It's a very solid build, so much so that you can actually stand on it to cast your line if you are out fishing along with the cooler. With that molded build that Yeti includes in all of their coolers, on the inside you do find that it is a little on the smaller side just due to all of the insulation. You do get this nice stainless steel handle here though. It is a bit of a hefty cooler. When it is fully loaded, it is a little on the heavy side, especially if you're loading it completely with ice and maxing out the can capacity. Take that into account. You do get the T-Rex lid latches right here. Towards the bottom you do get what Yeti calls the barefoot non-slip feet, which I have to admit definitely do the job. They don't move at all once it's firmly placed on a flat surface. So you do get the vortex drain system right here on the side. Very useful. You can just unscrew it and then release all the water. You do get this small cushion on the stainless steel handle right here. The cooler does hold 16 cans when fully loaded, taking into account a 2-to-1 ice to can ratio by volume. The cooler can hold 20 pounds of ice. This cooler is a bit on the pricey side, so also take that into consideration when considering buying this cooler. So you can add some additional accessories to the cooler. You can put the locks right there on the corner of the cooler to completely seal out any unwanted intruders, whether that's wildlife or anyone else. So you can also put a Yeti cup holder right there on the tie down slot. That does come separately, of course. My preliminary tests have shown that the cooler does an excellent job in terms of ice retention, so it'll be excellent for reasonable periods of extended time. The bigger Tundra coolers that Yeti makes will retain ice a lot better. Alright everyone, so that's pretty much it for the cooler unboxing. Obviously it's going to be an excellent product for any kind of vacation or just cooler necessities in general. So if you liked the video, of course, you know what to do. Guys, thank you for watching. This is JB Reviews. I'll catch you next time.